This tutorial will assist you in requesting a library journal article with your library ILLiad account. If you have not registered for an ILLiad account, please go to the library's ILLiad homepage and click on the First Time Users link before proceeding. Start at the UT Southwestern Library's website to activate any of your library's current search databases like PubMed, Ovid Medline, Scopus, Web of Science, or other preferred databases. This starting point ensures that your library icons and links are activated in your database searching. You can also download libkeynomad from the popular links, which provides full text access and ILL linking at any time once activated. When you have located your journal article, consult the libkey link or look on the right-hand side to see if the article is available. If you see a full text icon, click to proceed directly to the article. If not, click on the Find at UT Southwestern Library icon. You will be directed to the linking options page. Click on the eJournals A to Z link to ensure we do not carry the journal in our current collection. Once confirmed, return to the Request through Interlibrary Loan ILLiad link. Log into your ILLiad account to begin your article request. The citation information will now auto-populate in the article request form. Make sure all fields with a red asterisk are completed and add any additional information in the notes section. Determine if you need regular or rush delivery. The form will automatically default to regular delivery. Please consult the current rush delivery pricing costs and anticipated timeline by clicking on the red See Pricing for Rush service link. The library offers hand delivery as well as 24/7 locker pickup. Please be aware that our system only delivers articles to the designated email address in the specific ILLiad account holder's profile. When finished, click Submit Request. When the article has been posted to your ILLiad account, you will receive an email from libill@utsouthwestern.edu. Click the link provided in the email notification, log in to ILLiad, and retrieve the article from the View Download Received Articles section. If you have any questions or concerns, consult the ILLiad FAQ page or email libill@utsouthwestern.edu.